Okay, boys and girls, I'm back in my Friday folder. You're going to click on Show What You Know About Opinion Writing. Once you click within that, you're going to start New Attempt, and you're going to respond to the following prompt. In your opinion, can having an education give you freedom? Why or why not? In your response, be sure to state your opinion in a complete sentence, list reasons that support your opinion, use linking words and phrases to connect your ideas together, provide a conclusion. Your response should be multiple sentences. Once you are happy with your response and you have checked to make sure it has numbers 1 through 4, you may go ahead and review and then hit finish, okay? And then you would submit your response. If you are finished with your Show What You Know About Opinion Writing, then you may go back to your Storyline Online in your May Do folder, and you may choose a story to listen to. You may also work on any unfinished work that you have by going into your Schoology course and clicking on your grade book or your grades on the left-hand side.